So welcome you all for this video lecture session. So I'm Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of CEC. Here we are going to see the inserting a node at middle or specified position in circular singly linked list. In the previous video lecture we saw inserting a node at first and inserting a node at last in circular singly linked list. Similar to that, we are going to see the inserting a node at middle of the position. So take an example, inserting a node at middle. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, we are having a 4 node. So this is node 1, node 2, node 3 and then node 4. Okay, each node having a 2 fields, one is data field and address field. Alright, and then address field pointing to the next node address. The last node next field pointing to the starting node address means this we call it circular singly linked list. Head pointer pointing to the starting node address. What is starting node address? That is 1000. Okay, our aim is inserting node at any position, that is specified position. Alright, maybe a first position, a second position, third position, fourth position, like this goes on. Alright, so based on the position we can easily inserted a new node in the circular singly linked list. Okay, this is a new node. My aim is we are going to insert at the node 2, alright, or node 3. Okay, my aim is to insert on this position, that is node 3 means we are going to identify the specified position of the previous node. Okay, take an example, we are having 4 node means our aim is, our destination is to insert a new node at 3. Okay, position equal to 3, but we are going to identify the previous node address. Okay, then only we have to make a certain adjustment, link from the new node to the new node to the next node address. Okay, here we are having 4 node, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Okay, this is a new node. Okay, the node 2 address pointing to the, that is node 2 address pointing to the newly created node. Okay, there is certain adjustment can be created. We have to terminate the link node 2 to node 3, and then after that we have to create a link from newly created next node address to the node 3 address, that is 1400 pointing to the next node address node 3, like this goes on. Okay, that is the way inserting a node at middle. Okay, this is an algorithm or steps. Create a node for insert in circular linked list. When we insert the new node, then the address of next node should be new node pointer and connected in the next node address of previous address of before the node, whereas insert to the point the new node and node will be connected. Okay, what this example is, we are going to identify the previous node, then only we have to insert a exact position in this circular singly linked list. Okay, here we are going to see the pictorial representation how we are going to insert a new node. Okay, take an example. So first we are going to identify head pointer equal to null. If head pointer equal to null means the list is empty. Alright, and then after that we are going to insert an existing element in the list. Okay, maybe a 5 element, maybe 10 element, maybe 3 elements, like it goes on. Okay, if we are going to insert at the specified position equal to 1, then we are going to insert the first position. Okay, we have to do a certain adjustments, and then void is a function, that is void is a return type, insert underscore position is a function name, and then we are going to define the 2 variables, that is x and p values. Okay, and then what is x is the data values. Okay, I'm going to give x as x equal to 11. Okay, and then position equal to, I'm going to insert a certain position equal to 1. Okay, these are the 2 temporary pointers. This is a new node pointer and temp pointer using a struct node, and this is a dynamic allocation using a malloc function, and then we are defining a temporary variable, that is int I, and the new node pointer data equal to x. Okay, new node pointer data equal to 11. Alright, what is new node? This new node we have created a data field and the next field. Okay, data field is 11, next field is null initially. Okay, if position equal to 1, okay, we are going to insert a new node. This is the first position. How can able to change? Head equal to new node. Before head equal to null, we should be changed into, okay, head equal to, that is head should be changed into new node. What is new node? So new node is 1000. Okay, automatically here new node should be changed into 1000 means a link is made from head pointer to the starting node address. Okay, have understand? And then this is a singly linked list. How can able to identify this circular linked list, circular singly linked list? We have to create a link from ending node next field to the starting node address. Okay, that is new node of next. What is new node? New node of next is before is null, should be changed into starting node address. What is starting node address? What is starting node? Starting node is head pointer. What is head pointer? Head pointer also 1000. Okay, here new node of next, this new node of next is also 1000 means this node should be pointing to the starting node address. Okay, a node is inserted successfully at a specified position 1. Okay, later they are going to printf element percentage. This percentage is x. What is x? X is 11. Okay, the element 11 is inserted successfully at position. Okay, percentage, this percentage is position. What is position? 1. Okay, if x is 11, this position, okay, position is 1. The element 11 is inserted successfully at position 1. Okay, this is the way we are going to insert a certain node at position 1. Okay, have understand clearly? The second one, if having a n number of nodes present in the linked list, in a circular linked list, okay, we are going to try to insert at any specified position. That is, it should be inserted at first, second, third, fourth, like this goes on. Okay, and then we have to check the condition. If head equal null, if head equal to null means the list is empty, we could not able to insert a specified position. If position equal to 1 means we can able to insert a certain node in circular singly linked list. It may be a n number of nodes present in the circular singly linked list means it should be possible. Okay, that is else part. Okay, we are going to create a temp equal head. What is head? Head is 1000. Okay, head is 1000. That is temp equal head. Okay, have understand temp equal head means here head pointer 1000, the temp also 1000. So temp 1000 means this node should be pointing to the first node in given linked list. Okay, what are the scenario we have to remember is we are going to give the exact position where we have to insert. Okay, already I explained position equal to 3. We are going to insert the specified position is this position, that is third position. My target is this position is my target. Okay, how can I able to insert in the exact position? So first we are going to declare a temporary variable. Okay, temp equal to head pointer, that is 1000. Okay, this pointer should be moved to the exact location to the previous node address, because if you are going to identify the fourth position means this temporary pointer pointing to the previous node address, that is previous is third node. If third is the position means they're going to identify second node, like this goes on. Alright, here using the for loop I equal to 1, I less than position minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, this part I am going to explain here. Alright, This part I am going to explain here. For I equal to 1, I less than position minus 1, I plus plus. So what is the value of I equal to 1? Alright, what is the position? Position is 3. Okay, 1 less than position minus 1. Position minus 1 is 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is exactly 2. Alright, then 1 less than 2. Condition true or false? Condition true. It enter inside the for loop. And then temp equal temp of next. Alright, what is temp? Temp is 1000. 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, temp equal to 2000. I understand. Temp equal 2000. Automatically the temp value should be changed into 2000, and the link is terminated here. Make sometime a link pointing to the 2000 address. Okay, because our position is third position, this is our third position, but we are going to find out the third position node, that is third node, previous node. Okay, third node is here, this third node, previous node is this node, that is second node. We are easily identified. Okay, then we have to create a link between previous node into newly created node and the newly created node to the third node, like this goes on. Okay, using this new node next. What is new node next? New node next is, this is new node next. Before I created a new node, address is 3000, data is 33, next field is null. Okay, should be changed. Okay, we are going to create a link. Okay, how can able to create a link? From newly created address, that is new node of next. New node of next equal temp of next. What is temp of next? This is temp. This is temp 2000 of next. Temp of next is 4000. Okay, because then only we have to create a link to this node. We cannot able to identify this corresponding node directly. So using this link, then only we have to create a link from third node, that is newly created node, to the third node, or in a single linked list. Okay, that is new node of next equal new node of next is, this is new node of next. Alright, new node, that is sorry, new node of next is, this is new node of next equal temp of next. Temp of next is 4000. Okay, this is 4000. Temp of next, temp is 2000, 2000 of next is 4000. Automatically here we assign a link from this node, that is new node, to the third node. Okay, have understand? And then later this link should be terminated from the second node to third node and make a link from this second node to newly created node. How can I able to identify how the link will be terminated? Okay, and then temp of next. What is temp of next? This is temp next. Next is 4000. This link should be changed to the new node. Okay, what is new node value? So new node value is, that is new node value is 3000. Okay, this node is changed into new node address. What is new node address? So new node address is the new node address is 3000, and then this link is automatically disconnected from second node to third node address. Here they have to create a link from second node to newly created node. Okay, I understand. and then we are inserted a new node at the specified position. This is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position, fourth position, and then fifth position. We can easily identify exact position and inserted a certain node successfully. And then later printf the element percentage is x is 11, position is 3. Okay, the element percentage is element x is 33, element 33 inserted successfully at a position, percentage d is third position. Okay, this is the right way we can able to insert a specified node in circular singly linked list. Okay, have understand? So thank you for watching this video.